In this edition, we're going to look at enabling the Hyper-V role. There are many ways to enable the Hyper-V role. There's a couple different ways you can do it with the command line. You can use DISM. DISM is a command line utility that you can do customizations with. And start OC setup. OC setup is a command line for doing installations. So you will have this on the 7659 exam for the different ways to enable it. So you'll need to just know these different ways. And PowerShell, of course, with the Add Windows feature with Hyper-V as the parameter. You can also do it with the graphical user interface using Server Manager, Add Role, and the role that you're adding is Hyper-V. You can also use the GUI to enable the role via remote management. So that is a possibility, particularly of interest on those servers that are running server core. And lastly, the final way to install the Hyper-V host is to add a host in SCVMM. By adding a host in SCVMM, SCVMM will actually install the Hyper-V role for you. So I'm going to take a quick demo or a quick look at how to do that from the graphical user interface. So the next thing that we want to do is we want to actually go ahead and install a new role. So I'm going to go to Role and Add Roles. Go ahead and say Next. And I'm going to add the Hyper-V role. And I'm going to say Next. Next. The virtual network, whenever it creates a network, whichever cards you have selected here, it will go ahead and automatically create for you a network. You could do that manually. I'm just going to turn it on here and it'll go ahead and create the external network for me attached to this one network card that I have in this box. I'm going to say Next and go ahead and click Install. And I must restart the server to finish the installation process. So I'm going to go ahead and close and let it restart. Yes, I'll restart, and we'll come back to that in a moment. Okay, I've restarted the server and logged in, and it's continuing the installation of the Hyper-V role. It automatically went into this Resume Configuration Wizard. I didn't have to do anything to get that to pop up. Okay, the installation succeeded. I do have one warning message here, and that is just to ensure that I have automatic updates enabled. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Close. And if I now go into Administrative Tools, I should see a new Hyper-V Manager. So I'm going to go and launch my Hyper-V Manager. I have my host boot VHT machine, and I have no virtual machines. Just as a reminder to look at all of the webcast or blog posts about the 7659 certification series, go to aka.ms/70-659. If you need to contact me, you can contact me on Twitter, ITProGuru, or my blog, itproguru.com.